Hey lovelies, so today I want to make my very first withdrawal from Efsane or Efsanet. My very first withdrawal from Efsane or Efsanet. Few days back I showed you Efsane and I showed you how to log in and how to earn. Then I also shared an update on how to claim or how to convert your gems into other currencies, cryptocurrencies. But today I'm going to show you how to withdraw. Now, as at 1st of May, on the Efsane or Efsanet website, it was said that you can no longer transfer your gems into like USDT or other cryptocurrency. Let me show you where that was found. So I'm on my home page right now, and if I click on this drop down button, then you're going to click on this place that shows system notification, and that is where you see this website announcement, and you see Efsane notice gem exchange policy. So if you click on that, you're going to see where it says starting from May 1st at 12 o'clock UTC, that is universal time, gems will no longer be exchangeable for other cryptocurrencies. They will be used for platform token conversion in the future. Invite rewards and other platform functions remain unaffected. So if you've seen things like when you want to convert your gems to your Fi or USDT, you don't see those options there. You only see like frozen EFS. That is just what this means. So the key updates for May is second Airdrop goes live on May 1st evening. Group chat function officially launch. The centralized prediction market release. Efsane wallet now supports over 200 tokens. Third airdrop coming. So thank you for your continuous support. So what this simply means is we can't convert or swap our Efsane for Fi or for USDT for now. So let's see what more updates is going to come up. So for now, I want to withdraw my own USDT. I already converted it from USDT, from gems, right? I've converted it from gems to USDT. So what you will need is, let me come down to this personal center. You will need your address, your wallet address, and I'm going to open my Bybit because that's what I'll be using. Although I already pasted my wallet address here. Yes, so this airdrop address, I already pasted it, but I want to show you guys. So when this is my vlog channel, my name is Sussy, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates. I hunt for airdrop. I also share my no-fee recipes on cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks from time to time. I share how to earn money on the side while waiting for that job offer or as a side hustle, and I share my millionaire tutorials from time to time. So yes, this is that channel you want to subscribe to. So I'm going to open my Bybit account right away, and I'm going to show you how to get your own airdrop address. Remember, Efsane said before you can make a withdrawal, you must have an ERC20 wallet address. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is my Bybit account, and on the Bybit account, I'm just going to come down here and click on deposit. If you have been following my YouTube channel, my vlog channel, you know that my device usually has a multi-window function. So once you click on deposit, just as this. Now, if you are wondering what is going to happen to those of us who has tokens in our Fi or that wants to convert, just hold on, they're going to release more updates. Yes, I also have some gems that I converted to my Pi, and I also have gems that I've not converted yet. So let's hold on to more updates. So once you click on deposit, it's going to bring you here, and the next thing you want to click on is deposit crypto, because once deposit crypto, once deposit USDT, so it's going to bring up this option or this tab for you. Now you're going to make sure that this is on crypto, not on fiat. Make sure it's on crypto. Then you can search here for USDT, or you can use this alphabet to search for USDT, or just pick USDT from your search history, because I searched for it before. That's why it's reflecting there. So once you click on USDT, it's going to bring out this. So this is what you're going to copy from your Bybit. This ERC20 Ethereum, ERC20. This is the address you want to copy. So you're going to click on this particular one, and once you click on it, just as so, it's going to pop up this tab. So what you need to copy is, you want to copy this. Just copy this address. That is all. So I've already copied mine and pasted it in my Efsane airdrop address, but let me just copy that again, and you see it's copied successfully. So I'm going to minimize this app now, and I'm back on my Efsane. So my Efsane, I want to click on this place that shows menu. You click on that drop down button, and the next thing you want to click on is your sports account. You click on your sports account just as such. Now if you're not on the Telegram channel, do yourself a very big favor to join the Telegram channel, because that is where we share airdrop updates, we share airdrop links, especially airdrop that are not Telegram airdrop projects, from time to time. And if you're not there, you're missing out big time, trust me. So you can see that I have a total asset of 14.931119 USD, but actually I have that 14.9 USD. It's not everything that is USDT or USD. I have some as gem, I have some as other currencies. So I have gems, I have some as other currencies too. Then I have USDT, I have Pepe and the like. So yes, you can see it here. I'm looking at this from here. I have Pepe. Is it Pepe or Pepe? Then I have USDT and I have gems. So, and I can't convert them for now. So if I click on this one that says Pepe and I click on flash swap, it will ask me to only convert to frozen EFS, and that is not what I want. So I'm just going to go back. What I want to do actually is to withdraw. So I'll click on this options that shows withdrawal. Yeah, if you have not joined Efsanetr, please join. Do yourself a big favor to join. So once you click on withdrawal, I usually hear some people saying when they requested for their verification code, they didn't get it and all that. Before you click on this marks here, make sure you check this minimum. Now today minimum withdrawal is 11 USD. That is, you must have above 11 USD. You must not be lesser than 11 USD or 11 USDT. Yes. So if it is below, you're not going to get a verification code. So prior to now, it was around 12 USD, but that has dropped to 11. Then I'm just going to come here and click on max, and once you click on max as such, it's going to, I want to withdraw everything from there. Then leave the receiving blockchain at what you see here, Ethereum. Leave this as Ethereum. Then I'm going to paste the wallet address I copied from Bybit. You can use any other exchange platform of your choice. You can use Bitget, you can use KuCoin, you can use Gate.io, any other platform of your choice. Or you can use Binance, but I'm using Bybit. Then you see the handling fee is 1 USD. So I'm going to take 1 USDT, and I'm going to receive 11.166302 USDT. So then I'm going to come here and click on confirm. If you have watched my video to this point, I am not yet subscribed, please do me a big favor and subscribe. It means a lot to me. So yeah, it's going to paste your phone number. Maybe make sure that the phone number that is showing here or reflecting here is the original phone number you use in signing up for the account. Yes, so mine is blurred now because I don't want YouTube flagging my video. Then I'm going to come in and click on get verification code. So just like when we're doing the registration on Efsanetr, where you need to check the verification box, and the verification box needs to show success. This verification box needs to show success before they send you a code. That's the same thing you're going to do here. You have to come here first and check this box. Your phone number that you used to register will be sent here, we pasted here, because that's where you're going to receive your code. Then you come here, you click on this box to show that you are human. And now it's going to take time, trust me. Before you see this verification box, it's going to take time. So I kept refreshing the page. I logged in, I logged out several times before I could get this box coming up. So you're going to get a verification code either through a text message or a call, or if your line is WhatsApp enabled, you're going to get it as a WhatsApp message. So just hold on for it to reflect. So if this does not show success, you're not going to get a verification code. So that's a mistake I saw some people complain about, saying that they didn't get a verification code. That's because you did not wait for this box to reflect and you did not click on it and it did not show success. So I'm going to wait for the verification code to appear, then I'll paste that verification code here. I'll paste it here, and then this pop up that shows confirm will reflect, and I'll click on it to confirm. I've finally been able to withdraw. Now it took me several minutes, over 45 minutes, trying to do this withdrawal. I kept refreshing the page, I kept logging and logging out. The reason why I'm telling you this is so that I don't think it's as simple as a lot of content creators show you, that you just click on the withdraw button and then they'll send you a verification code and you withdraw it. It's not as simple as that. You need to keep refreshing your page, logging out, logging in. I even tried opening my account through Chrome and then Kiwi browser, and then misses back to back before it finally got opened. It me a verification code on my as a message, and then I inputted it. So just to show you that the showed withdrawal submitted, I'm going to go back now and go back to this now. So and then I'll click on withdrawal and I'll click on max, and you see that I'm not having anything in my USDT even after clicking on max. Yes, not having anything in my USDT. So I've withdrawn what I had in my USDT. So I'm going to open my Bybit now and confirm that it has been sent. So I am currently in my Bybit and I got this deposit confirmation in process. Dear Bybit user, you have a deposit of 11.1663 USDT, which is in process of being confirmed. This is just what is sent to me. Just about 5 seconds for this to reflect finally in my assets. So from here you can decide to keep this for later if you want to trade with it, or if you want to do any other thing with it, or if you want to just auto save. Yes, there's an option to auto save your USDT on Bybit, and you get an interest when you do that. But if you don't want to do that and you want to convert this to cash immediately, you want to convert your Efsanetr earnings to cash immediately, all you need to do is just to come down here and click on P2P trading.